Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrie from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries, and it's time for Treat Yourself Fridays. And what we're doing today is we are making scrambled eggs in a mug. So for this mug recipe, you'll need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of cheese, and some salt and pepper, and don't forget your mug. All right, so now that you know what we'll need, let's get started. So you'll start out by putting in your 2 eggs. And then whisk it with a fork. Then add in your 2 tablespoons of milk. And stir that too. Add in your cheese. Stir. And then this one's to taste. So add in your salt and pepper to taste. I typically like a little bit more pepper than salt, so that's what I'm doing. And then you stir it all up again. And now you have your mug recipe concoction. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put this in the microwave for 45 seconds first. I'm gonna stir that up, and then I'm going to put it back in 30-second increments to how I like it. So how I like it cooked. So this is what my scrambled eggs look like whenever they were done and cooked to what I like and prefer. So I'm gonna let that cool for just a couple of minutes and then I'm gonna taste it. So now that we have the scrambled eggs made, let's try them out. Oh, these are some good scrambled eggs. So they're nice and fluffy. They're just the right heat right now. They're cooked really well. So this is definitely a go. So I did the 45-second increment first, and then I did 30-second increments after that. And it took me about like 3 minutes, 30 seconds, somewhere around that. Just keep checking it and it'll turn out just as you want. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you'll join us next week for another journal prompt and also to see what everybody else has made. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.